Hello everybody, Truman 5000 here. Got a little video for you. It'll be on this guy right here, of course. We've got a 9-inch swinger from China. Although I don't think you'll be able to see it, but it's marked Italy. And I'm sure they put that there for us, you know. We all know it's a joke. Alright, it's from China or Taiwan. You can also get these from DH Gate. I got mine from Lightning Out the Front on Instagram. Alright. Yeah. Like I said, she's 9-inch overall. It's probably the sharpest switchblade I have. This one actually touched a grinding wheel. Alright. Alright, nice high polished blade. Bolsters got a nice medium polish on them. Generous slabs of our snake wood. Everything that should shine is nice and shiny. Big brass pins holding everything together. A nice little addition or introduction to switchblades. Like I said, she's not Italian, but you know, anybody can make a switchblade. The Italian is just, you know, I don't know, kind of spices it up a little bit. But I've been wanting a swing guard in 9-inch, and with it being in snakewood, just made me go ahead and pull that trigger a little bit faster. So, you can order it from China, you know, and wait a week, 2, 3, 4. Or you can see if my boy still has some at Lightning Out the Front Knives on Instagram. And I keep saying Instagram because sometimes he doesn't list everything on their website. You know, there is a website, Lightning Out the Front, and he has an Instagram page too. So check him out. Yeah. All right. Well. She's put together well. She's nice and straight. It's a lock back, as you can see. Here's where the spring is. There's where the spring is, right there. Okay. Close her up. The safety works. Okay, for those of you who are concerned about her working safety. And boom, there she is. Man. I was surprised. Very good quality. I would say on par with and or surpassing some true Italians. Let's see, I think AGA's cheapest one comes in at $139. That is a 9-inch swinger. You know, it's probably, you know, when you get down to it, it's probably a little bit more quality than this, but for $60 more, I don't know. Anyway, I can almost call this one off, huh? 9-inch, sharp, nice and tight guard. Check that out. Check that out, man. Sweet. And that snakewood, I'll show you why I jumped on that snakewood, alright? Alright. Let's see. Let me put these over here. Let me put this over here. I got one. Here's a classic in snakewood. Alright. Put it over here. Alright. Here's a swing guard snakewood with a flat grind and swedge. Ooh, boy, check that out. Huh? So, there you are. There's the Swinger Brothers. Let me see if I can get all that in the sun. Nope. But anyway, there you go, guys. the swingers in Snakewood. Think I'm going to let y'all go. Truman 5000 is out.